Hello. Oh my goodness, I have not picked up a camera in so long. Today we are packing and prepping for Florida. So I am going to Florida on Monday with Mallory again. If you haven't watched that Florida vlog, I highly recommend checking it out before this because that was honestly the best. It was just amazing. It was incredible. It was fantastic. Can't wait to do it again this year. I'm so freaking excited. So today is packing and prepping for Florida. I'm gonna start by making a packing list. So that's gonna be right now. I'm just gonna write down everything in a notebook. Yeah, I have this super cute notebook that I think is from Target actually. It just says notes on it and it has these adorable like leaves, which it's weird because this looks dirty, but it's not. It's like that's how the leaves are. So yeah, we're gonna do that. So I have these 4 gorgeous colors. These pens are from Amazon. I will link them down below. Honestly, they're colored gel, and I'm obsessed with them. But the first thing I'm just gonna do is figure out, so Alright, so I think that's good for the clothes, so we're gonna move on to bathroom stuff. So that's done. Put a little check mark. Beach stuff, that's what I need. Okay. We're gonna move on to shoes. We're gonna continue on with this page because that was easy. Diabetes stuff. Then we're gonna move on to jewelry and perfume. So, yep, I wrote everything down. Sorry. Whew. I wrote everything down that I had to write down. I think if there's anything that I want to add, obviously I will 100% add it to my list, but I think that looks good for now, which is so exciting. So I'm packing tomorrow and Sunday, and then obviously any last minute things will be on Monday. It's my packing list, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for when I pack everything. So as you guys saw yesterday, I made my packing list, and that's actually the only thing I did. I have so much to do today. It is already 1:40. This is where we're at. But let me tell you guys what I have to do today because it's a lot. So we're gonna straighten our hair, clean the house, pack, try on clothes, and ask my friend Courtney for advice. Put my clothes away. Actually, I did that. And do homework. So clothes away was done, thank gosh. Tried on clothes and sent to Courtney, done. Now I have to straighten my hair is the next thing. Do a lot of packing, clean the house. Oh, I also have to go to Walmart for some things. And yeah, busy day. So right now we are straightening my hair. So this is the before. All right, my hair is straightened. Thank goodness that's done. Check another thing off the list. Now we're gonna eat something quick because I'm starving, and then we're gonna pack. All right, we ate some food and now it is time to pack. All right, it's time to pack. I have my whole list down and I really need to get some of this done. So let's get to it. All right, I'm also making a TikTok and a short, so that's